Hi everyone, I'm Elna from Whimsy-Whips, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create stitches using the long tail cast-on method. It's a really simple technique to use for starting your knitting project. The first thing we need to do is measure the yarn tail. If you wrap the yarn around your needle 10 times, that gives the length you need for 10 stitches. So if you want 20 stitches, you just double it. And if you triple it, you get 30 stitches. So now that we have the tail measured, it's time to create the starting loop. First you cross the yarns over each other and pull one end through the loop you just made. And don't worry about which end you'll pull through, it works either way. If you feel like you made the starting loop to the wrong place, you just pull the yarn ends and it pops off. And then you can just make a new one. Next, you take the yarn and you put it over your index finger and thumb like this. And then you grab the rest of the yarn to your hand. And this is the position you can start creating the stitches. And for this, it's really simple 3-step pattern. First, we go under the yarn on your thumb. Then you go over the yarn on your index finger. And finally, you pull the needle through the loop. And that's it. You created a stitch. Let's repeat. First you go under, then you go over, and then through the loop. Nice. Also, it's good to remember not to pull the stitches too tight. The tight stitches can make it really hard to work with later, and your cast-on edge might become too rigid. If you tend to make the stitches too tight, you could use 1 or 2 size larger needle to cast on the stitches and then switch back to the correct size needle when you start knitting. And this will make sure that you don't pull the stitches too tight. And there you go. So now you created 10 stitches and you're all set to start your knitting project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you'd like me to make a tutorial on next. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!